Good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to unbox this GOBOULT 10,000 mAh 22.5 watt power bank. Power bank for your smartphones, tablets, or earbuds. You can charge it. And this I got for nearly 770 rupees. And there is some special feature in this power bank. Just let us open this. And I also unboxed this Kenstar Snow Breeze BLDC fan. This one. Yesterday only I unboxed this. If you want that video, you can see it in the description. This is the ceiling fan what I'm talking about. This is the remote control ceiling fan, and this fan is the one of the low cost. See here, 1800 rupees BLDC 5-star fan. And now let us open this one. Yeah, this is the package which is inside this. So let me just open this, and first of all let us look at the box contents. Then we'll open the actual power bank, what it is here. 22.5 fast charging LED display. Yes, I said there is a special feature for this power bank, right? It has got LED display, means it shows the charging display, means the battery display. See here, 55%, like so. That is one specialty. Hash rated audio brand in India. Yeah, power bank. And what else is there? Over voltage protection, 22.5 fast charging, 10,000 mAh, 1 year warranty. Yeah, that's all on the box. Okay, let us just open this. Okay, there is the inner package inside this box. So let us open this one also. There is some white plaster which has been placed here. Let me remove this. Inside the package, this is the main power bank and some paperwork here. And to register 12-month warranty, they asked me to scan this. Okay, yeah, for now I'll just keep them aside. And what else? There is a charging cable also provided inside this package. Let me just take this out. See, type A to type C charging cable are also provided. So let me just open this. Yeah, it is looking pretty good. Let me just power on this for the first time, and please do comment your opinions on this. Very handy, it's looking very cute and very handy. And let us check the slots here. Type A slot here, type A slot here, type C slot here, and this would be the power button. Okay, anything else at the back side? Nothing. Sides, nothing. Yeah, first of all let me just check the look here. Matte finish look. Just like this laptop, this is the brand new Lenovo AMD Ryzen 5 5625U laptop which I purchased for 38,000. If you want unboxing, I will just drop the description. Find the link in the description. And this would be the display. Means in most of the power banks you won't find this LED display here, which is a very good thing in this. And let me just turn on this, and you can see how it would be. And on the Flipkart also it is showing 4 rating. And yeah, multiple charging ports, micro USB, type C and USB output ports offering flexibility to charge, advanced protection, built-in overcharge, over voltage protection. And weight is 165 grams. It is mentioned like this is 165 grams, and it is lithium polymer battery with type C and type A connector. Okay, power source USB, charging cable included. Okay, so I will be just turning this on for the first time. So let me just turn on this. Okay, maybe I need, yeah, here it is 70% of the charging is currently available. What I'll do is, first of all I'll connect to a mobile and check the charging. Then I'll connect this to the charging, means I'll keep this power bank in the charging. So open this cable only. I'll just open the cable only. And how many of you like this digital display of the battery percentage showing on this power bank? First of all, two things I liked in this power bank, which is very handy. I can keep it in the hands here, very handy. If you keep it in the pocket, it is very handy. And the premium look is good, but it's slightly slippery. Okay. And the second thing I like is this display. Okay, first of all, let me open this. See here, when I kept the mobile in the charging, first of all, it is charging. Okay, 60%. This symbol is all like charging. Okay, I'll be just removing this and show you once. Okay. Okay, as soon as I remove this, this charging went off, and as soon as I connect this, as soon as the connect this, it is saying that it is been charging. And here also there is a indication that something is getting charged through this power bank. Okay, this is 10,000 mAh power bank. And now what I'll do is I'll be keeping this power bank in the charging mode. Okay, what I'll do is I'll be just taking this to my room. Yeah, see here, just I used my mobile adapter, which is the C type what is this, C type port. Okay, C type cable, and in the C type slot it is available. I just plugged in this. Okay, as soon as I plugged in, and here also the charging symbol is showing up here. See here, and the display, the battery percent display is continuously blinking, so that I can observe that it's been charging. And this is the JBL speaker. Okay, JBL SB 240 cinema surround speaker 2.1 channel. If you want, I'll be dropping that in the description. And please do comment your opinion, and this I really like very much. And I'll be posting a review video once I use it for at least 2 months. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.